Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bigo Live. Signing up for Bigo Live is easy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To sign up for Bigo Live, make sure you've downloaded Bigo Live on your device. If not, go to your Play Store or your App Store and download the app first. You can also visit your web browser and type in bigo.tv and you'll end up in the official website of Bigo Live. Also, you can sign up from the application. Simply tap on the application after you are done with the download and installation process, and you can sign up to Bigo Live with your phone number or your Facebook account, Google account, and Twitter account. Select any one you'd like. In order to sign up with your phone number, select your country code from the drop-down menu and type in your phone number. After you're done, tap on the next button and on the upper right corner, tap on Sign Up. After that, right at the corner of your phone number text field, you'll see a Send button. Tap on Send and a verification code will be sent to you. After that, you'll be able to sign up to Bigo Live. If you want to sign up using other methods, then tap on either Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Let me show you how to sign up with your Google account. Tap on your Google icon and enter your email or your phone number. Tap on the next button after you're done and enter your password for your Google account. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forgot Password and reset your password first. After you're done entering the password correct, tap on the next button located at the lower right corner. After that, tap on I agree to the Google's terms of service. After you do that, you'll be taken to a next page where you can enter your details. Choose either you are a male or a female, enter your birthday information, tap on Confirm, and tap on the next button. You can even skip this step by tapping on Skip at the upper right corner. These are the top trending broadcasters on Bigo Live. Tap on Done and you are signed up to Bigo Live easily. Choose the tags below to show your personality and confirm by tapping on Confirm. That is how you can successfully sign up to Bigo Live. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.